Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Shaneill if you're not new. Thank you for coming back. I know a video already went up and already was posted today, but this is an extra video, okay? I don't do these, but because I just found out what the spoiler is, I am doing it, okay? I might end up doing it every single month, I'm not quite sure. Let me know what you guys think. But if you don't want to know what the March spoiler is for a premium box, then you might want to get out this video right now and go watch another one of my videos that I'll go ahead and throw up in the iCards, okay? If you do, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I just seen a post. I don't know if you guys can see, ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I might have to zoom you in to my phone. The March spoiler for premium box, it's going to be one brand. Totally one brand, no other extra brand, just one brand, okay? And the CEO of BoxyCharm never said the name because that brand asked him not to say the name, so he didn't say the name. He actually showed the name, okay? So therefore, he can't get in trouble because he didn't say the name. Oh, I am super ecstatic, but for the month of March, the one brand that's gonna be the only brand in the premium box, okay? I am so excited. Can you guys tell I'm so excited? I'm very, very excited. That brand is Fenty. Fenty Beauty is going to be in March premium box. I am so happy, I'm so excited. Oh, I do not know how to record this that's on my phone. So I am going to copy the link and put it in the description box down below if I can do that. So let's see. First I want to see if I can do that. Alright, I think I'll be able to do that. So I'm just going to bring you guys in because I do not know how to record this on my cell phone, and I'm going to let you guys watch this video, okay? So here we go, okay? Exactly from his mouth, not mine.
Okay guys, sneak peek, but this is a special sneak peek. This is not for February. This is actually for March. We're gonna skip a little bit. This is premium in March, but this premium is gonna be different. See, premium is a new program for us, which we decided to break our own rules with what we've done. Up until now, we've been mixing different brands, different categories. Over here, it's pretty much all color cosmetics, and it's gonna be one brand. It's exclusive for one brand. I was asked not to tell you the name of the brand yet, so instead of that, I'll hack the system and I'll just show you the packaging inside.
OMG, yes!
Shh, don't tell them the brand. They don't blame me for revealing the brand. I didn't say anything, nothing. Now you know the brand. 6 items in the box, okay? $35 value, this is our premium program. This time, the value of this box will be $143. It's all this brand that I just showed you. It's going to include quite a few things. I will reveal it's going to have an eyeshadow palette. It's going to have cool stuff. Alright, we'll reveal this as time goes by.
Sorry.
March, premium. Put it on your calendar. If you're not part of this, go and join now. Tell your friends to hurry up if they're not on the wait list because it's not going to last. But by then, I believe we'll be able to remove anyone that was on the wait list and couldn't get in. That's it.
Alright, you guys saw and heard exactly what he said. Oh, OMG, and you heard it right here on my channel. Now, like I said, I don't do spoilers. But if you stayed this long, please tell me you're as excited as I am. The only thing I'm kind of sad about is that the value of the box is going to be a lot lower. Which is like not a bad thing and it's not a good thing either because the box a month is $35 a month. And it's still more than the price you pay for the box, but it's not at the value where it should be at from what they originally mentioned about premium boxes. So that's kind of like the downfall about it. The good thing about it is that we know for sure we getting Fenty, and we know for sure we're getting a palette. Now which palette, I don't know which palette, but he did say a palette. He did say a palette. So I'm waiting to find out what palette that is, okay? Because even if it's a face palette, I can technically use that palette for my eyes. But I don't know if Fenty has a face palette. Do they? I'm thinking, but I need to go and research this, okay? So, there we go, okay? So I am super excited. I did not look at any spoilers for the month of February, and February is basically next week. It's about to start. I just wanted to come on here today real quick to film this video and have it posted. It probably will end up getting posted like in the next hour or so. That we are getting Fenty Beauty in March BoxyCharm premium box. So of course you know that I'm going to unbox that right here on my channel just for you guys. And yes, I am going to do my best to do a full face of Fenty products. It might not be an entire full face, but I'm gonna do my best, okay? I hope that box come with a primer and some mascara, okay? Then it'll basically be a whole full box, okay? Because I don't need a foundation. No, I don't. Might need to go get me some concealer. Anyways, so there we go. There is the spoiler for the month of March. Let me know if you guys want me to continue doing spoilers. Then I will do them starting with the month of March and every month thereafter. Now, like I said, for the February box, I did not look. I do not know what's coming. All I know is that they sent me some email and I chose one product. I never went back on that Thursday to choose another item. So whichever box that is, I think it was premium box, it's going to be a total surprise because I won't know. So let me know what you guys think of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you love BoxyCharm products and you love receiving and unboxing or just watching unboxing videos, please go ahead and make sure you're subscribed and your bell is turned on. All this year, I'm going to be utilizing all BoxyCharm products in almost every single video I upload and post. I do currently have my BoxyCharm year skincare video. I'll make sure to link that up in the video for you. Oh, link that video up in the cards for you so you can go ahead and check it out. And I have done so many videos so far. More videos are coming where I have only used BoxyCharm products. Or the majority of everything is BoxyCharm products. Alright? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Always remember to embrace your beauty. And if you're excited, as much as I am excited, please go ahead and leave me what kind of emoji. Ooh, a happy face or an excitement face with little stars emoji. Go ahead and leave me that down below in the comment section. And make sure your bell is turned on so you can always get notified every time I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember to embrace your beauty. And I'll talk to you again later. Bye.